right, let's continue with traversing the tree with another method, which is going to be called as level order. So let's create the function. It's going to be called as level order. Going to get the node as well. All right, so what is different than comparing to inorder? So inorder was the depth first, going to the latest leaf and take it from there to the ordered list from the smallest to biggest. And the level order is going to target the levels. So it's going to be the breadth first approach. So it's going to get the first level, second level, and then, yeah, it's not ordered. That's the difference. So if you look at the graph, you're going to see is the like, so this is going to be the level 1, and this is going to be the level 2, level 3, and it's going to be the level 4. It's only this, 3. So if it was like supposed to be, there's another item here, let's say 40, then it is going to be level 3 as well. So if we add this here, the 40, like here, it's going to go to level 3. All right, so let's go and implement this. If node is nil, we're going to return again, just like the other. The difference is here, we're going to have the node list is going to be the slice of nodes. And since we don't know how big is going to be the list, so we're going to make it the 0. Let's see, what is the problem? It's not going to be map, but it's going to be make. We have to append the root. It's going to be the first item. And this has to come to node list as a first param. And yeah, so we're going to go into the for loop now. As long as the length of node list is not nil, the loop can continue. We go to all the levels. So what we're going to get is we're going to get the current one. Current one going to be the first item in the list. And then we're going to write it down. Yeah. So let's put it here, the current data. There won't be any recursion here, but we're going to check the current left. If it's not empty, we're going to put it to the list as well. So what we're going to do is the node list append and current left. And the current right is not nil, then yeah, it goes also there as well. Current right. And what we do here is each time we read one element and we get that one is out of the list, right? That's how it works. So this should work now. So let's put println and level order. This should work, but let's go and check how it's going to work. So we start with this. This is going to be the first one in the list. So let's actually write it down. And it goes into the loop and we get the 5 as well. This is the current one now. And this will be 30 as well. So this is the left part and this is the right. So this is going to be, and we print this. Whenever we print this, we get rid of from this. And the second iteration, we check the left and right of 5. So this is current now. And we put 2 and 6 to the list as well. And we write this to the screen and we remove it. So we already write the first, now we are actually writing the second level. So 30 is the current one now. There is nothing in the left, we write the 40. 40 is gonna be in the third level, right? So we write 30 now to the screen, and we remove it. And then lastly, this is the current one, and 3 goes into the list. We write this to the screen, and we write the rest of it and remove from the list. So that should how it works. So let's see. So 8530, 8530, 2643. Yeah, that should be the list for the level order. As I said in the beginning, in order is the depth first, and level order is the breadth first approach. And that's how we traverse the tree in a different way.